From harvest to home. This is a story of the innovation, vision, and commitment of the San Group of companies, a multi-level forest products corporation, creators of the finest, most environmentally conscious wood products in the world. World-renowned for its magnificent beauty, BC is home to 57.4 million hectares of forest. Of that, under 1% is harvested. Respecting the limited offerings of the land, we've made it our mission to use the forest more effectively and efficiently. Our world-leading integrated manufacturing model allows us to extract more value from each log, so fewer trees need to be harvested. We understand the need for sustainable practices. It just makes good sense, not only to minimize the impact on the forests, but to extend the ability to harvest for years to come. The government of BC also recognized the changing landscape of the industry and in 2022 released a report which focused on modernizing forest policy. A conclusion was drawn which stated, quote, "BC needs to derive greater value from the timber we harvest and fiber we produce. This will involve creating innovative new products, in turn generating new opportunities to take those products to a global market. Each step in this process adds value and generates economic opportunities for British Columbians." The government's vision for a more value-based forest sector is something San Group has already accomplished. We spent years securing the technology and skills necessary to lead the way in product innovation, to be more sustainable, respectful of the environment, and to deliver the quality and value demanded by today's consumer. We began in 1979 as a small lumber remanufacturing company and have grown to become a fully integrated, multi-level forest products corporation. As one of BC's largest investors in the forest industry, over the past decade, we have spent millions developing one of the most carbon-friendly forestry models in the world. We believe it's important to manage every aspect of our product development with strict quality control through every step of the production process, significantly increasing the value of the timber. This vertical integration allows us the ability to provide products from harvest to home. It starts by acknowledging that forest resources originate in the ancestral lands of First Nations territories. And as such, we seek meaningful and respectful relationships, supporting collaboration and, importantly, reconciliation. Also, being environmentally sensitive to the area in which we access our wood supply, adhering to ethical harvesting, and using innovative methods to recover underutilized fiber while helping to modernize the BC forest industry. In order to do this, we began by investing and innovating, while creating one of the highest rates of new jobs in our forest industry. We did this in 2018 by constructing an advanced mill designed to manufacture smaller diameter logs. Then in 2021, we constructed our value-added manufacturing plant, one of the largest and most innovative of its kind in the world. Sourcing machinery from around the globe, this 300,000 plus square foot production facility is designed to create over 65 wood products and represents significant change for the forest industry by using fewer logs to create more products. Let's take a closer look at how we are different. Traditionally, certain segments of the forest industry rely upon shipping raw logs to other countries. Logs are harvested here at home, trucked to the port, and transported up to 15,000 kilometers overseas. Once the raw logs reach their destination overseas, they are then transformed into products which may be shipped back to Canada and resold to Canadian consumers at a higher cost. Imagine the carbon footprint. This creates a huge impact on the environment. The San Group chose to go against the grain and employ a more carbon-friendly process. Rather than exporting logs 15,000 kilometers and creating a huge carbon footprint, San Group achieved the same results in under 7 kilometers. We built one of the most integrated wood products manufacturing networks at scale, from log to wood product in under 7 kilometers, consisting of a network of processing facilities designed to maximize the utilization of each log harvested. In turn, as we add value, it reduces the fiber requirements on our forests, so we can harvest less and create more. Instead of exporting logs across the world to be processed, we keep the jobs here at home, boosting local economies, reducing the carbon footprint, and creating the most sustainable, environmentally conscious wood products in the world. As leaders in product innovation, San Group engineers developed a method to create more with less. Our advanced technology allows us to take a piece of lumber and slice it thinly to maximize the amount of product from one log. Traditional methods may produce 1 to 3 solid pieces of wood siding from one piece of lumber. We innovated a method that takes the same high-quality wood, thinly slices it into 40 pieces, and adheres it to a finger-jointed piece of lumber, in turn increasing the yield of each log harvested up to 40 times, while maintaining the wood product's structural integrity and beauty, using less to create more. The growth and development of the San Group continues through the acquisition of strong assets throughout British Columbia, the latest being Invocation Forest Products' Acorn Sawmill on the Fraser River, bolstering our production capacity and making us one of the largest forestry companies on the coast of BC, manufacturing an array of coastal species ranging from western red cedar, hemlock, Douglas fir, yellow cedar to alder. The international reputation of San Group is well known throughout the lumber sector, exporting products globally, while also servicing customers locally through our Canadian-based retail division, San Cedar Direct. We provide building supplies and an array of high-end finished wood products, including our new line of eco-chalets available through locations across Western Canada. San Group, a multi-level forest products company from harvesting, sawmilling, remanufacturing, value-added production, retail sales to global export. Controlling the entire supply chain to create the most high-quality, environmentally conscious wood products in the world. Proudly 100% Canadian and truly fully integrated from harvest to home. San Group, global distributors of Canadian-made forest products, from harvest to home.